Microsoft announces the era of agents, deploying AI to replace humans 24/7.
The era of just chatting with AI is over. Microsoft has officially unlocked the age of autonomous AI agents. While the world sleeps, millions of digital agents are working, thinking, and executing complex tasks 24/7. You no longer need to click or code. Just state your goal, and your personal agent will build the entire workflow. From sorting emails to updating enterprise databases, agents bridge every app instantly without human intervention. They don't just follow rules, they reason, adapt to unexpected changes, and solve problems like an expert. Humans are upgraded from doers to supervisors, managing a fleet of AI workers from anywhere in the world. Businesses will witness an unprecedented boom in productivity as operational costs plunge toward zero. The future belongs to those who build agents. Start creating yours today and command your own tomorrow.